Marami tayong mga bagay-bagay na nag-i-insecure. Ang dami ng insecurities natin. Marami tayong kinakahiya sa sarili, no? Kaya nagpabalat tayo, no? Kung ano-ano tinatago natin kasi ayaw natin ipalabas kung ang nasa loob, what our convictions are, no? Sabi sa Ebanghelyo, no, do not be ashamed, no? Huwag natin ikahiya yung ating pananampalataya. Let us witness to God, no? Our God, kaminsan pag nagdadasal tayo sa restaurant, di ba? Parang nakahiya tayo ipakita na ipagmalaki yung ating pananampalataya sa buong mundo, ikinahiya natin minsan, no? Marami tayong kinakahiya natin. Naku, Pilipino, naku, ako'y galing sa bayan na ito, naku, yung aking itsura. Many, many things we are ashamed of, we are insecure of, no? But it is the spirit inside. Kasi puros panlabas yung kinakaya natin, pero yung loob, yung espiritu ng Diyos should make us proud. It makes us sons and daughters of God. It makes us one, no? Huwag natin ikahiya ang Panginoon. Pag kinahiya natin to, ikakahiya rin tayo sa harap ng mga anghel, no? That's what the gospel reminds us. So let us be proud of Christ in us, the Spirit of God in us. Let us ask our saints today, maraming santo ngayon, the martyrs of North America, and also Paul of the Cross, the founder of the Passionist Fathers. We thank God for their intercession. We thank God for their witnessing. Nagpatotoo sila, no? At the cost of their lives to give witness to God. Nagpatotoo. May we too give witness and not be ashamed of our convictions, our deep convictions, even if mawala yung kaibigan, mawala pati yung buhay, sapagkat nagpapatotoo tayo sa Panginoon. We ask our Blessed Mother this Saturday, like all Saturdays, and especially this month of the Holy Rosary, we ask our Blessed Mother to help us to stand with our convictions and to witness God's love.